Alright, so our hot tub has developed a leak, and there is a crack right here. This is just a plastic injection mold hot tub. So we're going to try the JB Weld Water Weld and see how it works. Alright, so instructions say remove required amount of putty, wear gloves, knead putty with fingers to a uniform color, press firmly. For best result, use a detergent or degreaser to first clean the surface, then roughen the surface with a file or coarse sandpaper to provide the best repair. So I'm going to try this sanding block and see how it works. Kind of rough, so pull it out. There we go. Alright, see how there's two different colors? There's kind of the white out there, and then there's kind of a yellowish green. You got to mix that all together so it's all one uniform color. So I don't know how much take out. So we're just going to take this much. Set it there. And just start kneading it. Alright, so I've been mixing this for probably a minute and a half, 2 minutes. So it's all one uniform color. So let's go put it on this. So the crack goes from here up to here. Put this in and spread it out. And then tomorrow I can sand it down. Okay. We'll take a look at it tomorrow. All right, let me get some for the... Okay, so it's been almost 24 hours, so this is, looks like it's pretty hard and set up. So I'm just gonna sand off any of the rough edges. Okay, that feels pretty good. All right, we'll try to fill it. All right, so it's filling up. So far it's holding. I looked on the other side and I don't see a leak. Don't see any drips. Alright, jets are running and it's still dry, so looks like it worked. Okay, the leak was, you'll see that foam right here, and then that black. That's actually the JB Weld. That's the patch that's holding, and there's no water. It's dry. Okay, so there you have it. I put a link in the description for this JB Weld water weld. I've always been very skeptical of this kind of stuff not working. You know, stuff you put in your engine to seal leaks and all that kind of stuff. None of that stuff ever really seemed to work for me. So I kind of have high hopes for this one. It seems to be so far working. So, all right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Appreciate it. Thanks for all the new subscribers. If you haven't, subscribe, because you never know what you're going to get on this channel, okay? So, all right, we'll see you later. Take care.